Westermans here. Here we have a few machines just arrived from the US. Miller Proheat 35s. Power sources only. Induction heating machines. You can see the condition of this one, which has already been unwrapped. Comes in its own case. We'll have a look at one of these. Here we have another one, just been unpacked. Again, nice machines. Voltage on these anything from 460 to 575. 50 to 60 hertz. Obviously that's plus or minus 10%. Perfectly fine to be used in the UK. Tappings will be changed if required on the machines from the voltage which are inside. More details can be found actually on the website on these. The manual is downloaded. Please have a look at the manual. As you can see, they seem to be very good condition. More details, look on westermans.com and request prices. Packages can be given if required. Thank you for looking.